Welcome. We're going to be looking over this SAT problem, and it's this one. If 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y? This is a rules of exponents problem, and rules of exponents are a good thing to review right before you go into your SAT, because rules of exponents are kind of something we don't look at often in everyday life. So let's go ahead and review a couple of the ones that we're going to be using in this problem. The first one we have here is what's called the power of a power, and that is if we have x to the power of a raised to the power of b, that's going to be x to the power of ab. And then another one we have is called the quotient rule of exponents. In this case, if we have a to the power, x to the power of a divided by a to the power of b, that's going to be x to the power of a minus b. So let's just have these filed away and ready to use. All right, what we're going to do is, if we look at this x, 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y, we have different exponents here. But we have an equation, 3x minus y equals 12, that can link these exponents, we hope. And so what we're going to do is solve for y. And to do that, we're going to take this y over negative y on the left side and move that over to the right side, where that's going to become over here positive y. And then we're going to take this 12 over here on the right side and move it to the left side, where this thing's going to show up here as negative 12. And so what we have now is y equals 3x minus 12. And so now we're going to take this thing right here, 3x minus 12, and substitute it in for this y here. And so now, rewriting, we have 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of now 3x minus 12. So now we have our exponents in terms of x, but we still don't have the same base. And so if we can rewrite this 8 as a power of 2, that'd be nice. So over here to the right, 8 is going to be equal to 2 to what power? Well, that's going to be 2 to the power of 3. And so now, back here again, working to the right, we're going to replace this 8 with 2 to the power of 3, and then we raise that to the power of x, and down below we have 2 to the power of 3x minus 12. Now, what we're going to do is use our power of power, and on the numerator we're going to rewrite 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x. We're going to write this as 2 to the power of 3x. And down below we keep what we had is 2 to the power of 3x minus 12. And now we can use the quotient rule of exponents that we have just working below here. That's going to be 2 to the power of 3x minus 3x minus 12. And so what that's going to be is 3x minus 3x will cancel each other, and what we have left is 2 to the power of negative 12, which can simplify to 2 to the power of 12. And so therefore our correct answer choice is A. So again, advice: before taking your SAT, PSAT, review your rules of exponents. They can help you out a lot. I hope this has been helpful to you. Good luck, and thanks for viewing.